Saturday morning. Welcome to Life with Marlene, my fellow gems. How are you doing? Here at Walgreens, about to head out. We're gonna go over to Tampa. It's my very first time going to IKEA. I've never been there. I'm gonna see what they have in there, what it's about, and all that stuff. So come along, enjoy the ride. And I'm here with J2, and yeah, so let's head over to Tampa. And if you have not already, you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. I'm a Florida vlogger. I put out vlogs 2 times a week on Sundays and Thursdays, so you are welcome here. So come on, gems, let's head over to Tampa. Enjoy the ride. It looked like it was going to pour, which it did rain just a little bit, but it's the typical Florida bipolar weather that it will rain in one space and in another space it's completely dry, and then the sun comes right back out. And that's exactly what happened. IKEA, and we're gonna go around, look at everything. So take you guys along. This is pretty neat. Food. I'm in school. I feel like I'm in school. What is this? To get a drink? Do you know? Fancy. Yep. What are you gonna get? Have you had it before? Oh. They got salad. Fruit. A wrap. That chicken salad looks good. Sandwiches.
We're gonna get that grilled chicken breast sandwich.
I decided to get the mashed potatoes and gravy, the chicken salad sandwich, and the cherry cheesecake with an apple juice. Am I the only one old school that I like to go to the store in person to see if I actually like something, feel the materials before I buy it? That's what I went to do today, and this is exactly what I wanted. I'm showing you this. It's like origami. Oh, look at that. That is neat. And then it closes back. That's pretty cool. It's 80 bucks. So now we're driving through central Ybor, which is in Tampa. This is a district where it's very historic, where they have like cigars, bars, lots of clubs. It's like the old school part. Also a place that people like to go to in Tampa to party. So let's do a drive-through. Oh, that's the Columbia restaurant over there. People have nothing to do. That's what I say. Yep. up bars.
How are they turning up? It's 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. I mean, it is Saturday. I guess people pre-game. The whole night here.
But oh, look at these people. Yep. Give them a reason to be weird. I never get that when girls wear their hair with those bright colors. I don't get it.
They want attention.
Oh, it's attention seeking?
Yeah. There's out, like you can go on like more streets and there's more stuff.
Okay.
But,
Oh, it's pretty neat.
yeah.
Oh, here's the entrance here to Ybor City. There it is. Here's the sign. Ybor City.
But it goes this way. So you'd have to
you'd have to come from the other direction. Oh my goodness. Why would you be walking?
They got photography session.
Oh, it's photography. Look, it's a bride.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
We only have one life and one body to take care of, and we better do it right. You never know what tomorrow may bring, so we better live this life the best way we can and be grateful for everything we have.
You, baby.